What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor! Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! We're all happy to see you again. I love that! Which way do you want? Left leads to? Left leads. Left leads. We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drive? Great! Thanks for helping out. Pick any toy you'd like. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. That's perfect! Just slide or tap it to open. Where to now? Right leads to. Right leads to. Knapford Station is just ahead. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of... Excellent! We're always happy to help. Which way do you want to go? For next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Excellent! Forward leads next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Super! Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Good job! We all love your train set. Where to now? Forward leads to. I love that. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up. That's the way. We all love your train set. Oh no! It looks that's Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help I that! That was off the rails. Which way do you want to go? We're almost at the town square. Right leads to... Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Right leads to Cannonball... Knapford Station is just ahead. What type of wagon should we help pull? Super! That's awesome! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. That's perfect! Where to now? Left leads to... Forward leads next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Good job! Good job! We all love your train set! I love that! Right leads to Cannonball. The rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them... Great! Ha! We're always happy to help. Oh no! It looks that's super awesome! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. Help by dragging that! Thanks for helping out!